Cool caves. Glaciers are massive chunks of ice. They can have cool caves inside. How did these ice caves get there? Inside the ice, glaciers are big and cold, and some have a secret inside. Beautiful ice caves. Some of these ice caves are tiny. Others are big enough to stand inside. They are caused by one simple thing: melting ice. How an ice cave forms. A cave starts to form when some of the ice on top of the glacier melts. The melted water drips into a hole in the glacier called a moulin. Then the water flows deep into the glacier. As it flows through the glacier, the water melts more ice. All that water flows out the bottom of the glacier. This leaves an empty space, a cave, inside. Inside the cave. After the cave is formed, water keeps dripping through the moulin. Some drips freeze to the ceiling of the cave. These form stalactites, which are big icicles that hang from the ceiling. The stalactites grow and change as more water drips into the cave and freezes onto them. The shape of the cave changes as ice melts, freezes, and melts again. Sometimes caves disappear completely. They can collapse under the weight of the ice above them. People go inside the caves. Many people like to explore ice caves. It is important to go with a guide who knows the caves well. These caves are dangerous when ice falls or collapses. People can enter an ice cave through the moulin, using ropes to lower themselves. Or they can enter through an opening at the bottom of the cave. Inside, the caves feel like a freezer. The ice looks blue and rippled. It is quiet inside, except for the sound of flowing water. This is a secret world of cold beauty. The caves are wonderful to explore before they disappear. A closer look. How ice caves form. Melting ice drips down the moulin to carve a cave. Glacier, moulin, melting ice, ice cave.